So to begin with, I lower the needle right to exactly where I want it to start. I've got a nice tail, and then I will use the round dot lock stitch. Lock to begin with. I've also, the stitch length, I use a 3.5 on here. I change the stitch length. Sew along to exactly where I want to stop. Use the lock. In fact, I've gone slightly beyond, so I'm just going to pull that back up, lift the walking foot, readjust, pop the needle back down so it's exactly where I want it, press the lock stitch again, lock, lift your needle up, and then pull out gently. And with scissors, I'll use my rotary cutter, I'll just slice it, and I will sew in those ends afterwards, but I like to lock either end, and it just gives you that really nice quilted line.